Good morning and Merry Christmas to all you people. Today, when you see this, it's not Christmas, but for me it is. Anna got herself some freaking taillights. What are they called? The Valenti taillights?
Yes, they are.
Valenti taillights for her car. So we're going to do a quick install. I really doubt it'll take that long, so this might be a short video, but it's still content, so we're going to do it anyway. Here's the stockies. I honestly like them. The circle is kind of cool to me.
I don't.
But obviously, like, getting aftermarket taillights is cool. But I don't mind them, and I've seen people, like, take the red out of them, and it's, like, fully clear. But
see, if I could
these
crack
are
them
super
open
sick.
and take, like, the red clearing off, I would do that, because clear taillights are really cool, and I've seen people do it before, it looks great.
Mm-hmm.
And then to get, like, the switchback blinker, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
But
we got Valenti taillights.
We got Valenti taillights. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been videoing since you opened the door.
Bonk! Wait, what's the Halo song?
All right. Tell us what we have here, Anna. We have
We
Valentis.
have Valenti taillights. They are the sequential ones. They're the switch. So I got the clear housing. I did not want the smoked housing. 'Cause I
Clear
think it's-
lens, black housing.
Yes. Clear lens.
There you go.
Not the smoked lens. Because the smoked lens is too dark to me.
I agree.
I don't like how dark it is.
Yeah,
So,
tinted taillights be kind of sussy. Maybe on a black car.
yeah, like if
cool.
I had
It's
like
like the
charcoal
Batmobile.
one, I think
Yeah.
it would fit nice. It would like blend in.
Mm-hmm.
But silver one, the smoke would not look good. But with this one, I'm gonna have some good like contrast and stuff. So
Yeah.
it seemed like good.
It looks super clean.
I'm excited.
Wow. Doing a wide angle.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Look how pretty. And it's like, you couldn't tell on the website. It's like carbon fiber dipped,
Yeah,
I guess.
I did not know that, but like, look how beautiful that is.
It's kind of cool. Oh, you can see the like Valenti right there.
Yeah. Is it dipped or is it?
I'm pretty sure it's
wrapped?
dipped. I
Think so?
don't think they would wrap it. They probably just like, when there was nothing on there, they put the plastic, they just
Yeah.
went boop.
And so like, look, it like that looks so good.
Mm-hmm.
I had to do double take for a second. I was like looking, I was like, is this real? And I was like, no way my mom spent, like $600+ on carbon taillights.
Oh, no, that would be expensive. I don't even think people doing that.
Oh. He's so pretty. I love it so much. He's so nice. Okay.
Open that trunk, shoulder.
I'm opening that.
FRS low, or is it FRS slow?
It's for real slow. All I know.
Freaking righteously sporty.
Nails might be good for something.
We'll see. Or they might break. Gets nails done, works on a car.
Look how pretty they are.
Oh, shoot. Like, little harness thing. Is whatever this is. And it looks like there's supposed to be a bolt right here, but there's not. And then there's one down there. And then some connectors, and I think that should be it. Should be pretty simple.
Itty bitty flashlight. It's gonna come in handy today. Dealing with.
All we got is 1, 2, 3, 8 mils.
What's going on here?
It looks like one was missing.
That's not good.
Did I tell us? Freaking stole Dalton.
There we go.
Let's check it. Yep. And that one's loose. Don't even need a wrench for that one.
That's not good.
Looks like your taillights were ready to come out.
Where'd this one go?
But this thing.
I don't know what happened, baby. Oh, it's loose.
Oh, there you go. Easy peasy lemon like squeezy. That one's loose too.
Okay. Easy peasy, lemon like squeezy.
Bam.
Goodbye.
Stuck.
Old stock tail lights. Hello, new Valenti tail lights. Get this lined up good.
Get her lined up, baby. One of these. Oh snap.
This is a nice angle.
Oh snap. I'm gonna push it to make sure that it's all the way in there.
I'm about to just hop in my trunk. Whee!
She really in that thing. Okay.
It's easier
It is.
than...
That looks so
Oh,
good.
nice.
Hit your brake.
Nice.
Nice. Turn your blinker on. Sequential.
Oh yeah, cool.
Is it like glows?
Oh yeah.
That's so cool.
All right, and that's basically it. 3 bolts and a connector. So now I'm just gonna do a time lapse for the last one. That simple. Taillight install on FRS. Freaking easy peasy lemon like squeezy, like everything is on this car.
Everything is so easy on this car. Except headlights.
Well, you could have probably gotten headlights where they were just a connector, but we had to wire those specific ones.
Wow.
All right, that's gonna do it for this video. What do you say, babe?
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. See you guys in the next one.